Hello, beauties. Have you ever looked at a gorgeous maxi dress and thought, can I wear that this season? Or wondered if it's still stylish at 50 plus? Well, let me tell you, maxi dresses are the paragon of spring and summer elegance, and they're perfect for women of all ages, especially if you know how to style them right. Imagine the breeze flowing through your dress as you walk with confidence. That's the magic of maxi dresses in spring and summer. Just look at icons like Helen Mirren and Oprah Winfrey. They've proven that a maxi dress is a wardrobe must-have for women over 50, no matter the season. My name is Samia, and today we're going to reveal the best maxi dress styles for women over 50 this spring and summer, the most flattering colors for warm weather, essential do's and don'ts to get it right, how to style your maxi dress like a true fashion icon this season. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Samia's Elegance for more timeless fashion tips just for you. And while you're here, comment below with your favorite maxi dress style. Let's chat about your spring and summer wardrobe goals. Number 1. The best maxi dress styles for spring and summer at 50-plus flowy A-line maxi dresses. These dresses are light as air, perfect for the warmer months. The A-line cut is universally flattering, whether you're attending a garden party or strolling along the beach. This style elongates your legs and creates a balanced silhouette. Think Helen Mirren at a summer event, looking fresh and fabulous in a bright, breezy A-line maxi. Sleeveless or short-sleeve maxi dresses. When the temperatures rise, opt for sleeveless or short-sleeve designs. Oprah Winfrey is often spotted wearing these types of dresses, combining comfort and elegance. The best part? A sleeveless maxi dress shows off your arms in a graceful way while still maintaining modesty. Tiered maxi dresses. The layered, tiered styles are a spring and summer favorite, creating movement and visual interest. They're fabulous for women over 50, as they add a youthful energy without being too flashy. Just look at Catherine Zeta-Jones, who has sported this trend with elegance at many summer galas. Bohemian maxi dresses. Think flowy, ethnic prints, crochet details, and comfortable fabrics. Perfect for casual summer events. This style gives you that effortlessly chic look like Goldie Hawn's summer outings, where she embodies the boho spirit, embracing both comfort and elegance. Maxi dresses with a high slit. To add a touch of sophistication and a bit of sass, a high-slit maxi dress can be stunning for summer evenings. Whether it's Meryl Streep at a film festival or Juliana Margulies at an outdoor event, high slits add a touch of modern flair without compromising on elegance. Queen Letizia of Spain, over 50, has worn tiered and sleeveless maxi dresses on royal occasions, proving that you can be regal and stylish even in the summer heat. Number 2. The most flattering colors for spring and summer soft pastels. Soft pastels like lilac, mint green, and peach. These colors are the heart of spring. They illuminate your complexion, offering a soft, youthful glow. Sophia Loren has often worn pastels in spring collections, demonstrating how soft tones can exude timeless elegance. Bright, bold hues. Bright, bold hues like cobalt blue, coral, and sunflower yellow. These shades are the essence of summer energy, perfect for outdoor events or a sunny afternoon. Meryl Streep dazzled in a cobalt blue maxi dress during a summer gala, showing us how a bold color can make a statement without being overwhelming. Neutral tones. Neutral tones like beige, taupe, and white. These create an effortlessly polished look, ideal for both daytime brunches and evening garden parties. Carmen Diaz has worn these shades during warm weather months, showing how neutrals create the perfect backdrop for accessorizing. Vibrant floral prints. The classic floral maxi dress is a must-have this season. Choose prints that feel lively and fresh, just like Julianne Moore, who was spotted in a floral print maxi at a spring premiere. Susan Sarandon has made floral prints her signature on many summer events, proving that florals can be both timeless and fashionable for older women. Number 3. The biggest maxi dress do's and don'ts for spring and summer. Do choose light, breathable fabrics. Fabrics like cotton, linen, and chiffon are your best friend for hot weather. These fabrics keep you comfortable and help you move effortlessly, just like Oprah Winfrey's easy-to-wear maxi dresses. Do opt for flattering necklines. V-neck or scoop necklines are flattering and elongate the neck, giving you a youthful and elegant appearance. Avoid high necklines that might add extra bulk. Do layer with light accessories. A wide-brimmed hat, oversized sunglasses, and a delicate scarf will elevate your maxi dress for a true summer vibe. Think Jane Fonda at a summer film festival where accessories make the outfit unforgettable. Do play with prints. Florals, stripes, and tropical prints are wonderful for summer. However, keep them balanced. Don't overdo it. A simple print with a chic bag can elevate your look. Don't choose heavy fabrics. Stay away from velvets, heavy silks, and leather during the warmer months. They'll trap heat and take away from the lightness of the season. Don't forget to fit your maxi dress properly. A maxi dress that's too tight or too loose won't work as intended. Ensure the fit is comfortable with enough room to breathe. Don't skip footwear. Flat sandals, espadrilles, or low-heeled shoes work best with maxi dresses for spring and summer. Avoid heavy boots that might weigh down the dress. At 50 plus, Sharon Stone made a statement at a summer event wearing a perfectly fitted maxi dress with simple, breathable fabric, proving that elegance is all about comfort and style. Number 4. How to style a maxi dress like a true fashion icon this spring and summer. Effortless accessories. Opt for simple gold jewelry, oversized sunglasses, and a chic woven bag for a laid-back but elegant summer look. Think Kate Middleton, who uses understated accessories to keep her summer dresses chic and royal. Embrace a natural look. Summer is the time to embrace minimal makeup and soft, natural hair. Go for a loose, beachy wave, just like Diane Keaton, who loves keeping her hair natural and effortless. Add a pop of color with shoes. A bold-colored sandal or espadrille can make all the difference, just like Julia Roberts, who wore vibrant shoes to complement her floral maxi at a summer event. Confidence is everything. The ultimate secret to styling any maxi dress this spring and summer is to wear it with confidence and grace. Grace Kelly proved that poise is the key to carrying any outfit, no matter your age. At 60 plus, Helen Mirren stunned everyone at a summer gala in a sleek maxi dress, showing that age doesn't limit elegance, it enhances it. If you enjoyed these spring and summer maxi dress tips, hit that subscribe button to Samia's Elegance for more fashion inspiration that's designed to make you feel timeless and chic every day. Which maxi dress style are you most excited to try this season? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember, beauty and elegance never go out of style. Stay confident, stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next video.